The filter function is great in grabbing filtered results based on a table dataset, and you can filter it to any criteria that you want. But what it doesn't do is to show you the headers of the table that the filtered results relate to. So today I'm going to give you two methods for you to show the headers of a table alongside the filtered results. The first method uses the index formula, and this is available in all versions of Excel. So you type index, select your data source, in this case it's called my table. Then when you type in my table or whatever the name of your table is, you open the square brackets and then you choose the second last option called hash headers. And that's going to grab the headers of the table and not the dataset. And the second argument of the index formula is a row number. That's going to be 1. And if you want to grab the columns, what you need to do is you need to open up a curly bracket and then choose which columns you want. I want to choose all 7 columns. So you choose all 7 columns separated by a comma, close it with the ending curly brackets and then the rounded brackets. And that's going to grab all of the columns of your table alongside the filtered result. The second method uses a new function called CHOOSECOLUMNS, and that's only available in Excel 365, Office 365, or Excel for the web. So you open up a new function called CHOOSECOLUMNS, and then you choose your array. In this case, it's my table again, and you grab the headers again, hash headers, and the last argument is you just choose which columns you want. So unlike the index formula, you don't need to enclose the columns that you choose round curly brackets. You just choose the columns and then you close it with a rounded bracket. So there's your two methods in getting the headers of a table. And here's a reminder of the formulas. Now, if you really want to be efficient, you can combine the choose columns function formula and the filter function formula into separate array arguments into the VSTACK formula. But you have to make sure the output of both of those arrays have the same number of columns, otherwise the VSTACK will return an error. So we type VSTACK, which is only available in Office 365, and the first array is going to be, we're going to choose the choose columns method, and the array is my table, and again we're going to choose hash headers to just grab the headers of the table, and we can choose all 7 columns and close the bracket for the choose columns function, and that's going to be the first array of the VSTACK formula, and the second one is going to be the filter function. That's going to be the second array, and close the bracket for VSTACK formula, and there is your formula in one go, and you combine the header and the filter function all in one place. And here is a reminder of the formulas that we've used: index, choose columns, and VSTACK. I hope you enjoyed this video, and watch out and stay tuned for my next video.